The intriguing phenomenon of the buzzing sound produced by electric razors offers a fascinating glimpse into the interplay between sound design and cultural perception. In America, the frequency at which many electric razors operate aligns with the musical key of B-flat, while across the Atlantic in England, the same device tends to resonate in the key of G. This subtle difference can be attributed to variations in manufacturing standards and the electrical systems of each country. America typically uses a 60 Hz power supply, which influences the pitch of the buzzing sound, while England's 50 Hz system results in a different auditory experience. This discrepancy not only highlights the technological distinctions between continents but also introduces a unique cultural sonic signature to the mundane act of shaving. Interestingly, this variation invites consumers to experience the everyday ritual of grooming through different auditory lenses, potentially affecting their emotional response. Anecdotal evidence suggests that individuals may even form preferences based on the sound, with some Americans finding the B-flat buzz soothing, while others in England appreciate the brighter and sharper resonance of the G key. This phenomenon illustrates how something as simple as the sound of an electric razor can resonate beyond mere function, intertwining with regional identities and auditory landscapes.